Okay, hello and welcome back. This time I'm going to try to showcase here a new use case of this tool, which is, for example, refactoring. Okay, so what we are going to try to do here is refactor some code from this module that you are working on right now. So refactor some code and put it into a new module. So that's what we are trying to ask to our prompt, to our AI assistant through a prompt and see if it is going to be able to generate a new module, right? Okay, so let's come back here to the prompt. From here, I'm going to write down the prompt. So I'm going to say something like this. Please refactor this module to a new module named. Okay, so what are we going to refactor? Let's say we want to move all code referring to errors into the new module. For example, in this field, and everything here, the execution of this command when it throws an error. Okay, so all this logic, we want to make it or to put it into a new module that you're going to name um, let's name it OdooxIA errors, right? Okay, just something like that. Okay, so this module, okay, let's give it some specifications, should contain all code related to um, the errors, okay, thrown during um, execution of the the command, right? It will figure out for which command we are talking about, probably thrown, okay, like that. Okay, is this enough? Let's see. So refactor the module to a new module named OdooxIA errors. This module should contain all code related to the error thrown during execution of the command. Okay, and also it should inherit. Let's make that much more precise. It also should, maybe, I don't know, should inherit from this module. Okay, something like that. Okay, it should depend and inherit from, okay, our module, from the module OdooxIA, okay, something like that. Yeah, very simple. So let's try this prompt and see what it will do. Okay, so I'm going to execute this command here, run. Okay, it is executing, as you can see here. So let's wait and see what it is going to do. Okay, right now we have no modifications into our branch. Okay, and there we go. It has made something. Okay, as you can see here, it has created a new module named OdooxIA errors. Okay, and inside of it we have models. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have this. Um, okay. Okay. It inherits from OdooxIA as you can see here. Execute code. Okay, so process and so on. Okay, so it is not important, so process here. That's an error. Okay, it has security views. Let's see what it has put into the views. Okay, it has put this, the notebook, page, errors. Okay, position replace. Ha! Okay. 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 So it is correct. Well, one thing for sure, it hasn't removed this code. Okay. So let's make that even more precise. Okay, this module should contain all code related to the errors from during the execution of the command. Okay, so refactor this module to a new module named OdooxIA, okay, by moving some code into it, just like that. Let's retry this. Just simple single precision and see what it is going to do. So first of all, you can see that it has been able to generate a new module like that in a blink of an eye. That's powerful. Okay, so let's get back here to our models, OdooxIA, and see what it is going to perform here. Okay, wait. So I'm expecting it to remove this code and yes, and put it somewhere else in the new module. Let's wait and see. Okay, haha. It did something. You see, it has moved away the errors field, and also what else? It has removed here a lot of things. It has removed a lot of things. Okay, all things related to the errors. So let me do control something to, you see, this is what were here before the refactoring, and now it has removed that and probably put it into here. Okay, and let's see, exactly, it has moved the code to the new module. Okay, so if you did an st here, a diff, you can see that it has modified this file. Okay, let's check out exactly what has been modified in there into OdooxIA. So diff OdooxIA models first of all, and yes, let's see what has been removed. So it has removed sub process and it has put it into the OdooxIA errors module, as you can see here. All right, what else? This field error equal to field text has been removed and put here. What else? And now the logic for uh, executing the command and capturing the error has been removed from the original module into this module here, as you can see. This is powerful, right? And this has happened only in like 15 seconds. We waited just like 15 seconds and it has performed all this refactoring. Okay, that's magical. Okay, now as for the views, what has it removed? Okay, so yeah, so it has removed this page string errors which was present in the original module and now has been moved into this view, and it is using an XPath to put it inside inside the notebook, right? This is magical. This is some magic here. Okay, And what else has been modified? So that's all. And it has created the new module Odoo errors. Okay. And now from here, we will be trying to, of course, we will be trying to, okay, so you see it has removed the errors field page here. So from here, we will be trying to install now this new module. Okay, so let's, first of all, let me restart here the server and update the original module OdooxIA and see what we get. Okay, we see that some functionalities has been removed. Okay, so OdooxIA M for module, OdooxIA update, right? And we should update that module. Okay, the module has been updated. Now if you refresh from here, okay, so what we see that there is no more the errors page here. Okay, because it has been removed from this module. Okay, now what we have to do is install the new module into which we did the refactoring, which is named here at OdooxIA errors. Let's see if it is present into the apps. OdooxIA errors. Okay, there we have it. Okay, it is present here. Right, now all we have to do is activate it. So let's activate OdooxIA errors. So OdooxM OdooxIA errors now activate because it is already installed. So let's activate it. Okay, so let's check something. We said that it should depend on OdooxIA, right? Let's see if it has made that too. Exactly, it did make it. So as you can see, it is depending on OdooxIA. So installing it now should install OdooxIA. It is already installed. So let's just activate it. Okay, wonderful. It has been activated. If you check here, great. Now, if you come back here, okay, let's come back here, select, and now refresh. Refreshing should put here the page that is added by our new module. Okay, so refresh, and there we have it. Here we have our errors. Okay, is it working? Okay, so let's test it out. I'm going to add here an error. Okay, this is an error. Okay, remember that this single code introduces an error, and executing should save this error into the errors page here. And there we have it. It is still working. So this is magical. We have created a new module, entirely new module, out of our original module just by specifying a simple prompt. Okay, something that we would have spent probably hours, maybe and a whole hour coding if we had to do it manually. You see, all this stuff, it has created it. And okay, um, this is magical, huh? Hmm. Okay, cool. So we have here this file. This file. It has added a security file. Okay, the views. Okay, using XPath to put inside notebook. This page. This is some magic here. Okay, so that's it. That's all. And wait a minute. Okay, fine. So this is powerful. This is really powerful. Okay.